So guys, I beg make una dey support my ministry. If I do you anything, make una dey forgive me, okay? They watch my video, even YouTube forgive me. You see now I came on live since now, how many 1 hour plus? They no want send people on my I mean to come to my shop. YouTube no won't send anyone for my Annie will say shop no dey shop open, market no dey go. No customer. Oh God, I wasn't absent, was just banned from coming up. Who banned you? Wisdom, who banned you, I beg? So I'm current on God of mercy. So I am current on what's going on. Okay, I beg, who banned you? Just me, oh. YouTube ban you. Hey God, YouTube ban you? Please, I beg, tell me, oh. I beg, oh, tell me. What happened, Wisdom? I beg, tell me what happened. They ban you. Hey God. Don't be smart, you know. Okay. Hey, I beg, tell me, just me, Wisdom, why they ban you now? This ain't bad though. Why they ban you? After my last video, one day, I just tried to go live and I was still I can't. Did they say why? Like, did you get any message on your YouTube studio to reason why? Just last week I was able to. They should have given reason why they ban you now. You didn't use any violent video now. No message, oh. Hey. No. The thing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, if they ban someone, they're supposed to give reason why. Probably like, it's a copyright. You are using copyright video or music. Can you just ban somebody like that? Nothing, no. Not at nothing. I beg. There's nothing person that go here for this YouTube. It is little. Make a highlight so. I go post them later. See police. They are looking for us to catch.
They're looking for business.
They're looking for market. Even police is looking for market too. God amazing. Yeah. Someone I know stopped coming live. I'm posting for 2 months now. For me, for 2 months now, only for me to see her with a new channel. I asked, she told me she was banned by YouTube for 3 months with no notice. Oh my God. Maybe all the can go pussy and name. This will wake up one day and ban me. Oh my hard work, eh? If YouTube try this thing for me, eh? In fact, they don't fit her. They don't fit her. I got to ban people without any reason. Can you imagine? So that means if they ban you, and I mean, Wisdom is even lucky that they are now allowing him to. You have to start over again.
Yeah.
It's not
with
funny.
Another name or another things.
You know, after my strike, I studied all their policies and became more cautious. So even me, I was surprised. My brother, it surprised me. Tina, I think I'm asking same thing. I don't know YouTube and Facebook, which is more strict. I chopped that. I chopped 13 days restriction on Facebook for just using a laugh emoji.